Flowers at your house, they just make everything better. Everyone should grow at least a few flowers. Trust me, you'll be glad that you did. They are so pretty. This is from a local farm, Daisies in May, and we are going to talk about flowers today and how to make a beautiful arrangement with them. When you do an arrangement, you're going to want to start with your focal flower, the one that just is the stunner of the whole thing. And we're just gonna start adding in some other flowers to complement and highlight this one. Now at the beginning, it's gonna look kind of sad, but you have to just work through that part. So you just keep going. Again, you cannot do this wrong. Usually with these ones too, you wanna grab them when they're maybe not quite the full way open, when they're really, really close, because that's gonna provide longevity too. If you get them when they're already completely full bloom, then your bouquet is not gonna last near as long. The biggest thing you wanna fight is the fungus and stuff, the molds and things that can get in there and kind of ruin the stems and turn the water and make it all stinky. So the best thing to do for that is going to be some vodka and baking soda, and so they kind of act as an antifungal. And then you're just gonna take it and you're just gonna swish a little bit so it gets all around, and it just kind of stirs it up a little. And then you're gonna set it there and you have your beautiful center display for a barbecue or just because. I usually like just because. You should always have fresh flowers in your home.